got a lot planned today. I got a few stuff to install. Picking up a new phone. Gonna go help my friend out at the shop. So yeah, it looks like it should be a busy day today. Hopefully I'm gonna record a lot of it, most of it, maybe, I don't know. Basically, if you guys didn't know, this right here from Dunkin' Donuts, this is magic right here. This, oh man, this right here is magic. Caramel iced coffee, extra caramel. Gotta have the extra caramel, I mean, you know. So explain what's happened. 3 hours have been here.
Nothing happened. It's like we changed my shock and we try to put on this steering wheel from a Hawkeye, but the horn doesn't work because of the wiring. So
Hello. Back to the NRG. Fuck this inspection.
Gotta pay for it.
Mic on. So what's up with it?
Alright, so
You're on the spotlight now.
okay, great. So hey YouTube, I'm Jonathan. I'm with my man's Henry. Moving our my old Subaru steering wheel. This is the airbag, as you can see. So we're out with the old and with the new. We got personal right here. NRG hub. Alright, so let's get it on. So basically, you want to make sure that you have this on the line right. Alright. Okay, that seems about right. Put on the nut that should be supplied. And if not, then find a new supplier. You don't really want to use a drill, but fuck it. Alright. Then I'm pretty sure this wiring has already been set up by anyway, so
Make sure your battery's disconnected.
yeah, make sure your battery is disconnected. Mine's isn't.
We already got the airbag out though, as you can see,
yeah,
you know, the
so
battery over there.
yeah, don't forget to take out the airbag, seriously. I mean, take out the
Disconnect the
terminal,
battery,
disconnect
take the
the battery.
airbag off, you know, you don't want that blowing up on you.
Yeah, you really don't. Alright, so put the little bolts back in. So to be honest, the reason why I took out, I already had, alright, we're gonna edit this. Alright, so I already had my personal steering wheel on, but I was trying to pass my inspection.
Rip steering wheel.
So I tried to put on a steering wheel from a Hawkeye, but the horn doesn't work, and that's not gonna let me pass my inspection. So now I'm putting back on my steering wheel, and I'm just gonna have to pay for it, my inspection. So if any of you guys in Maryland know anybody,
And make sure whenever you put this on, NRG's going up.
yes
You got
sir.
the NRG right here. NRG. There's a little dot right here. You probably can't see it, but it's over there.
Alright. You need this little Allen key. Finish it up.
Look at that wrist work.
Yes sir. I'm cooking so many chickens. Whipping up the bricks. So YouTube, if you guys like these installs, put a comment down below and we'll install more things. We installed my shock, but we couldn't record that because we were in a private area. But next, what are we installing? I'm installing my lip next.
New lip on the Subaru.
New lip on the Subaru.
Brakes on the FRS.
Yes.
Brakes
on the Subaru.
on Subaru as well. Coils on the FRS.
Yes. What else on the Subaru? We got hella horns coming in soon. Probably next paycheck.
The Allen key just broke.
Yeah.
You know, no big deal.
Breaking off. It's alright. I'm doing a cross pattern. You don't have to. I don't think so. This is not a wheel. Alright, and after this, we're going to do some pulls. Yeah.
We're going to finish it off with some pulls in the Subaru. And then
we have to split and go eat.
Show us a nice steering wheel.
Alright, look at that. Oh, yeah, it's
man.
perfect. Nice 10 and 9 grip. 39, 6 and 2, 7 and 9, 7 and 32. There you go. Alright, now we're going to go give this back to him. Tell him it doesn't work for shit. Thanks a lot.
And time for some pulls. So what's up, guys? I think I forgot to film an outro for the video that you're watching now. Basically, yeah, it was just, I wish I could have recorded more in there, but we were in a private area, as we said, so we couldn't really record much, but we tried to get, you know, at least something. But yeah, I mean, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it. And then there's gonna be more videos soon, coming soon. I'm trying to post, you know, at least a consistent amount. I don't want to have a schedule or anything like that, but I want to at least have a little consistent amount, so you guys have stuff to watch during the week, during the weekend, you know, whatever. We'll make sure to have a walk around of Jonathan's car as well. It's Subaru. And we'll have more installs coming on the way. So, see you guys next time.